like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And today I have 3 FabFitFun refill mystery bundles. And these are $19.99 if you get them with your box at the same time with your box. And I'll go ahead and, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, that's the number of this one. But if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a lifestyle box. And I'll leave all the information down below, but it's $59.99 per season, and it comes 4 times a year. That's winter, spring, summer, and fall. And if you pay, and that's if you pay seasonally. If you pay annually, you get $20 off that. So it ends up being $199 a year. And you know, usually your box is worth well over $200, and the value is always there. And so when you do it annually, you also not only get $20 off, but you get first dibs, and you get to customize all your items. Or if you pay seasonally, you only get to customize 3. Now this is my first bag, and some people like to see the numbers. Make sure I got it right side up for y'all. And that's it. So let's just see what's in this one. And I do have my glasses here. And yes, I have the same clothes, but I changed my style. I did turn the air purifier off. And this is Beach Waves. And it looks like it spilled. Or this spilled. Something spilled. No, this didn't spill. Something spilled. Because this is ruined. No. It's all there too. What the heck? I don't know. I don't know. But this is that texturizing spray you put on your hair. You know, just give it texture. But the box is wet. Soaked. I don't know. Maybe it is a little bit out of there. I don't know. But I'll just put that in the bathroom. My mom tried it. It didn't work for her. And I don't really use it, but I'll put a seal around it or something and give it to my friend. And this is Sensuals Facial Serum Clarifying 100% Natural. It looks like that. It kind of looks like urine. That's about the color of it. And it's like an oil. I'll tell you. It's got menthol in it, and I needed that. I'll be honest with you. I just came back from my mother's. I was fine this morning, and I'm starting to get where I don't feel good. So I know this is for your face, but it's got menthol in it. I just might leave that in the bedroom tonight. Just to sniff it every now and then. I ain't gonna do nothing wrong with it. And this soap, I don't even know if it has a scent. I can't remember. So I will try it real fast. It just smells like freshness. I don't know. Let's see what this thing is. I don't know what this thing is. So, let's see if I can save without ruining it. No, I can't. I got to open in the bag. So, that's okay. I was going to see if I could see it with, you know, just flip it up and flip it back in there. Because it'll probably be as a gift. Because, quite honestly, I've been putting everything I don't want in my friend's bag in there for her stocking. So let's see what this is. Let's open it up. Oh, it looks to be a jewelry clutch. Which those are nice for travel, but usually I don't wear enough jewelry when I'm traveling because I only go see my grandkids, and we're usually just doing crazy stuff. If we go out and do something, it's, you know, it's just normal. But it's a nice little clutch. You know, it'd be nice on a girls' trip, honestly. And I really need a girls' trip, but on this side, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, that's where you put your earrings. Cool. That's kind of cool. You can put them in, and it's got little holes in it. And you put them in, put the backs on, and then flip it back up. That's kind of neat. I don't know if I'll keep this or not. I'm deciding. Because I don't have nothing like this. So I might keep it. And who is it by? Let's see who this is by. This is Summer and Rose. I'm not sure if that's their brand or not, but yeah, I think I will keep this for myself. Because it's one kind of thing I don't have. And I try to, if I have it, then I pass it on. But if I don't have it, a lot of times I'll keep it because if I think I might use it. And then this one is 2304 Mystery 05. And we'll see what this one is. Well, that one wasn't sealed very good, but it's got all the items in it, so we don't care. We'll just roll it right on down the way. Okay, let's see. I don't know what this is. XO Sienna. I don't know what it is. Kind of looks like a journal. And I'm telling you what, I don't think anybody in my family would journal because we were always raised to leave the evidence. You know, don't talk about how wonderful that guy is because somebody's going to get your journal and they're going to know. My sister left her journal at her friend's house one time. And she asked me to go get it because she lived with my mom and I lived with my dad. And she came for the weekend, went to her friend's house. And she lived right next door to us. Yeah, that's what it is. It's just a blank journal. She told me to go pick it up. But it's cute. She told me to go pick it up. Asked me if I'd pick it up for her because, you know. I said, yeah. And she said, well, you can read it. I said, why would I want to read your diary? Well, I don't know. I'm thinking, you're boring, Darla. You're boring. I don't want to hear about how you got the hots for this guy. I don't care. And this is Too Faced Melted Matte. And it's Self Out, whatever that means. It's a lipstick. I wasn't sure. Sometimes they have these, and it's like, is it lipstick? Is it? Shiny. Ooh, it's a plumper too. It's a plumper too because it's stinging a little bit. I don't know if I showed you the box. I think I did, but I'm not sure, so I'll show it again. I don't like these colors on me. I think they look terrible on me. And they do. They look really good on my mom. She's a redhead. And then, what are these by? They could be by anybody for all I know. I have these sunglasses. And they're made by Fry. And these are not for everyone. It kind of remind me of Estelle Getty. They're not for everyone, but I do need new glasses in my car, and I have to have very dark ones because my eyes are so sensitive. And I do have an optometrist. Well, I had one for January, but that was my second $30 one, and that was the glasses. And this, what was the other thing? 1, 2, 3. I don't know what I did with the other thing. What was it? The glasses, the book. I know I had a third thing. I know I did. Oh, the matte lipstick. Yeah, I knew I did. And here's the third one. And it is number, I don't know. Could be anything. There's no sticker on this one. Oh, here it is. I found it. And here that one is. 2304 Mystery 01. I get it. Year 23, box 4, which is, you know, the last box of the year. I get it. Anyhow, see what we got in this one. And this one is probiotics and superfoods. Tula, or however you say it, Tula. This is supposed to be a real expensive brand too. Take care and polish, it says. We'll just open it up and see if we can figure it out, because it's another one of those, yeah, it's a body lotion, I think, I would assume. Oh yeah, maybe. I bet it's got a seal in it. I bet, yep, it's got a seal. Oh, this has got like a grid in it too, so I don't know if that's what it is or not. Can't really see it that good because they're doing this same old writing. And we keep trying to tell people. It says, take care and polish. It says something and cleanse, so I'm sure that's what it is. It's probably because it's got grit in it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Smells really, really good. I'm still trying to use up the last of that icky vanilla stuff. Yeah, it's got a grit in it. That's what it is. But icky vanilla stuff from one of them other companies. I think it was Glossy Box where they were getting rid of them so much at the end. So I'll just put that in the shower. And then here's a Invisibobble hair clip. Which Invisibobble is expensive. Ooh, damn, I just broke it. Gosh. That was real expensive, wasn't it? I didn't even get that out of the package. Just trying to show you the claw on it. And it broke before I got it out. Still don't have it out. Yep. It broke, but I don't understand the whole friggin' point here. It's got this little plastic thing in the center that doesn't do it. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Quite honestly. Yeah, I broke it before I ever got it out. I heard it crack. I don't know, Invisibobble. Yeah, I think that's what it's supposed to do. I think this is supposed to go on both sides, and it popped out. So, who knows? If I can get it fixed, I can get it fixed. If I don't, I don't. It's a hair clip. It will go in the trash. I'm not going to spend all day worrying about it. And then I got one of these foldable yoga mats, which I haven't done yoga in a really long time. And when I did do yoga, I didn't use a mat. But I would imagine this is a very good mat because it's this side is very grippy as well as the other side. And usually yoga mats, only one side is really grippy. I mean, they'll tell you, oh, it's, the normal ones, they're still easy to slip on. This is really, really, which, had I known that, I might have got it the first time around. I need to start back up again because and it's 2 millimeter thick. So you can see how, but it's got a really pretty design on it too. See, it's celestial. One free month of their app, but I don't do that. But it would be easy to pack. That's one, and this is what it looks like when you fold it out right here. So yeah, it's a nice mat. So those are my 3 FabFitFun mystery bundles. Each one of them's worth 20 bucks, definitely. Like I said, you always get your money out of them. So anyway, that's my 3 bundles. Starting to wheeze. So like, subscribe, do all the YouTubey stuff, and I'm going on my nebulizer.